Hello viewers, today we're going to draw a basic scenery, a very simple and easy scenery. As you can see, I'm going to draw it with a pen and few strokes only. So all these basic steps you need to see for the learning purpose, and as easy as it can be, then you can learn very first. So this is the basic river shape I'm drawing now, and the landscape it just ends at this point. And if you want to show that the trees and the villages in a far distance of the landscape, then you can draw something like this and a few tree lines like here. Okay, now we are going to draw a bigger tree like this. It's the main trunk and the branches, and you can see these cloud-like formations for the good tree drawing. All right, then we can add the hills and the mountains behind the greeneries. So this is the second hill, another one. In between them there's another hill, bigger hills on the side, and a sun is rising in between two hills. You can put few vertical lines to show that the sun is rising, and you can put few lines like this to show the field. For grasses you can put bigger grasses, then you can go for smaller one as you go far in a distance. Just draw few lines with this and this is done. Another boat we can see in the water. This is the water line, and two poles to hold the boat. You can put black color for the boat here. All right, now we can use the pencil colors. The black one for the boat, let's put a dark yellow here for the top part of the boat, and we can use the crayons for coloring the river. The river is usually blue, so we are going to use the blue color crayon for drawing the river. You can see all right, all right. For the greeneries we can put the dark green color to show the fields here. See, it's very easy, and few green strokes here to show the greeneries. Okay, few green lines to the tree we can draw like this, and light green we are going to put for a far distance greeneries over there. The sun is going to be the orange color, And this is for the mountains. You can see the basic colors here for the mountains. Okay, now we're going to use the pencils, the light green for the trees here. And the sky is going to be blue again. That's how we are going to draw the clear blue sky. All right. So the basic drawing, it's almost complete. Now what we can do is that we're going to make the border little thicker from the surroundings, and make the drawing little elaborate. All right, so for the mountains we are going to put few shades with the black color, as you can see here. So one side is dark and one side is light. That's why we are going to see the dark side, because of the sunshine. The other side is going to be darker. Okay, so yep, the drawing is going to be nice. Few orange lines like this. Okay, so this is the drawing. I hope you like the video. If you like, please subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching. Please stay with Blue Hand Drawing. We're going to bring more nice drawings in future. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.